Stop what you are coding. There is a free, insanely powerful AI model you can plug into OpenCode right now. Let me show you exactly what it is and how to set it up. What's up, dudes? Today we are going to talk about Tencent's Hy3 Preview model. It just dropped today, April 23rd. It is open source, it is free for 2 weeks via OpenCode, and we will use it inside OpenCode. I am going to walk you through what makes this model special and how to actually get it running. And we will test it and run a prompt through this and we will show you the result. So let's start. So as you can see their post on Twitter on x.com, this is their most intelligent model yet and open source. And this is MOE, mixture of experts architecture with fast and slow thinking. It has 295 billion total parameters and 21 billion are active. And the context window is 256K. So major improvement in context learning, complex reasoning, and conversational abilities. It is one of the best model that he has released, and I will show you the open code as also posted on x.com. You can see that the Hyphen Tencent Hy3 preview is free for 2 weeks. You can use it for free. So let's come here to the benchmark and we will just explore the benchmark. As you can see the benchmark for reasoning, for long context and for the agent. So we will come to the agent. You can compare it with Claude, with the GLM, ZAI and with KMK 2.5. So this is the comparison of this model. This light blue color, this was their high 2 version, but now this dark blue that you can see, this is the improvement in their high 3 preview model that and compare with other model. It is good to start and use for free. Just set it once and you will see the response from this. And this is their blog. You can move to their blog and see all the details related to this. You can move to get on Hugging Face and GitHub, Model Scope, Tencent Cloud, High AI Studio. You can just test it here also, but we will use OpenCode to test this for free for 2 weeks. Just go down, you will see all the uh, detail about this. Okay, the benchmarks, whatever you want. So you will find like here is the best part that they have tested it. This is the prompt that they has given in the mobile app has been created in for game development. You can see now the game developed. They use this prompt. I want to make a casual resource gathering and building game set on a tiny planet. So let's wait, it will display. So this is the result in a game that they have generated using this prompt. See the game, and let's come here to the PPT creation. They has created a PowerPoint slides also using this AI. You can see now it, look at slides has been created, and also data visualization. You can see now the data visualization that they visualize data using this model. Now we will test it also. I will show you that it can generate for us too. So you can go and just read all about this, the comparison, the benchmark, and everything about this new model which has been released and it is free to use inside OpenCode. So let's open OpenCode. You can use the Scale I tool or the VS Code extension or their desktop application. So you install their desktop application. I will use that. So here we can select a folder. After selecting a folder, so down at the down area, you can see and select here the model. Just select it. You can see the free models. Right now, look at Hy3 Preview, which is free model that you can select. Select this model. After selecting this, now I will test it with the prompt. So this is my prompt that you can see. Create a single self-contained HTML file that builds a practical life ecosystem simulation, a large canvas where hundreds of colored particles interact with soft attraction force based on their type. There should be 4 to 6 particles species, and you can just look at this is just uh, a prompt that we will just ask now from the Hy3 preview model. So it will generate this HTML file and we will check it and see you the results. So let's wait just for a few seconds to complete this task for us. And we will see now the result also. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So it has created a practical live.html file for us and wrote all the code inside that. Now we will just open it and check it. Open the file. So this is the practical live file. Let's double click and check it. Look at this is the simulation and like the strength, decrease the strength. Look at go down, back, and reset it. Look at that. It add 50 particle. It will add more 50 particle and particle 3 and KPS. Try look at this. You can see something. This has been generated. That prompt. I showed you the prompt. This was the result. You can generate projects, text packs, and do whatever you want with this AI model. Just try it a new model that which the best thing is that this is made by OpenAI. An engineer which was working with OpenAI in December 2025, it has moved to the Tencent AI and started building this AI model. So just try it. I hope this was helpful. Please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.